Hello and welcome to the 500 Workshop. Hey everyone, got some really exciting news. I've gone into partnership with FD Ricambi, which is a parts supplier based in the Netherlands, and we're going to now be producing videos together. So they're going to be providing the insight and the parts, and I'm going to be providing my skills and time in order to show you how to do the jobs on the car, fit parts, show you what different things look like. So from now on, my videos will be in collaboration with them. They'll also be hosting my videos on their website. So when you're looking for parts and you're trying to buy the right thing, or you don't know how to install it, hopefully we'll start building up a collection of videos there. So you can go and buy your parts from there and have the confidence to do the job yourself, or know what to do with the part and which part to buy. So really looking forward to that. Real big thanks to Mark from FD Ricambi for working with me and pulling this together. Really appreciate it, and yeah, exciting times ahead. So stay tuned and watch out for future videos.